Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest gadgets and accessories to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 6.5-foot retractable remote control cable tether lock by Aufee. If you've ever lost your TV remote under the couch cushions or behind the furniture, this little device promises to put an end to that frustration. The package comes with 2 tethers, each extending up to 6.5 feet, which is about 106 inches. Giving you plenty of room to comfortably use your remote, game controller, or even a small tablet without having to hold it directly in your hand all the time. The retractable design is smooth and efficient, so when you're done, the cable neatly retracts back into its sleek black casing, keeping your space tidy and organized. Installation couldn't be easier. Each tether comes with adhesive pads that let you attach the base firmly to any flat surface. Just clean the area, peel the backing, press the base, and you're good to go. No complicated tools or drilling required, which makes it perfect for home, office, or showroom setups. The design is not only practical but also built to last, with a tough metal cable and durable casing that can handle repeated pulling and twisting, ensuring your remotes and controllers stay secure over time. These tethers aren't just for TV remotes. They're versatile enough to secure game controllers, camera remotes, or other small electronics that you don't want to misplace. Whether you're managing devices in a busy family room, a gaming setup, or a tech showroom, these retractable locks keep essentials within reach and prevent them from wandering off. In summary, the Aufee retractable tether locks combine simplicity, durability, and convenience into one small accessory. Easy to install, flexible in use, and designed to keep your devices secure, they make sure you'll never waste time searching for your remote again. If you're tired of losing your remotes or small electronics, this could be the perfect little solution to keep everything in check. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical gadget reviews and tips.